Hi everyone, and welcome to RnA ReSet. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make ReMag spray. ReMag spray is ideal for people who prefer to take their ReMag topically. Let's begin. Of course, first what you'll need is your ReMag mineral solution, a spray bottle with a mist setting, and a 1/4 teaspoon measuring spoon. Begin by putting your ReMag into your spray bottle. I've already done that with a couple of ounces here. And take your 1/4 teaspoon measuring spoon. We want to see how many sprays it takes to fill up a 1/4 teaspoon measuring spoon. Let's place down a paper towel just to catch the excess magnesium. And for my spray bottle, it takes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 sprays to fill up a 1/4 teaspoon measuring spoon, which is the beginner dose. So I'm going to spray my skin 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you can put this anywhere on your body you would like. Rub it in and it'll dry in seconds with no itching, burning, or stinging. And like I said, 1/4 teaspoon is the beginner dose. So after a couple of days, you're going to want to increase your dose, which means you're going to want to increase your sprays. Increase your sprays until you receive a saturation dose that you desire. It's as easy as that. Thanks for watching.